Hello everybody, Helen Chin Lu here, certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master and teacher. They own the Healing Place and the Healing Place Energy School, and the author of Know Your Chakras. Today, I'm going to flip a page and I want to talk to you the content in my fabulous book. So stay tuned, there's things that I want to share with you. First of all, I want to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I have more than 16,000 subscribers that I have been collecting since, I would say, from 10 years now. And I am so pleased that my videos have been helpful to you. And I would say for the last year, I've been talking about my book, Know Your Chakras. And I keep saying, I'm going to talk a little bit more about my book. And out of nowhere tonight, after work, I decided, you know what? This is the night. And what prompted me to do this, I have a client who bought my book, and I asked her, what's the feedback on Know Your Chakras? And she says, well, Helen, I did not read it from front to back like most people do. And first of all, it's a great book. Lots of incredible information about introduction to energy medicine. So coming back to my client, I said, well, if you don't read it from beginning to end, how do you read the book? She says, it appears to be if I open up a page, that seems to be the perfect page for me for that day, and it reflects what is going on. So let me do that for you. In my book, first of all, there's 9 lessons, and all the lessons comprise of homework assignments and healing meditation. I don't want to bore you by going through the list of all the different lessons. You could do that by looking at the box below, and then it also tells you where to buy my book if you're interested. Why did I write this book? Well, first of all, it's an observation collection of 13,000 healing sessions I've done since 2006. And I pretty much have come to a conclusion what most people are looking for. There's 3 things. So 3 things that most people are looking for. They're looking for, they want to be acknowledged, they want to be seen, they want to be heard. Yes, acknowledged, heard, and seen. And of course, with that in mind, then people will start to value themselves, because acknowledgement does not necessarily mean looking for somebody's approval, but it's really looking for your own approval and giving yourself a gold star. So you can pretend there's a gold star in my head. For those people who grew up in the 60s, they know what a gold star is when you put one on the head. So, and I'm thinking to myself, oh, wow, that's quite interesting. So if people understood how their energy flow, they could break pretty much any trap that's going on inside of them. Because if you don't know where you are, you're not going to know where you're going. And what happens, I've noticed, people get into this repetitive cycle thinking about the same destructive thoughts over and over again. Thoughts that do not do anything for you other than keep you stuck and keep you from moving ahead. So if you're ready, like just imagine like tarot cards for those people who like divinity cards where you're doing a card reading. I'm going to flip a page in my book and see what goes on. So here's my book, Know Your Chakras. I'm going to flip the page slowly, and whatever comes up, it's a homework assignment. I don't think we're going to talk about homework assignment. Let's see if we could get to a page that has a lesson on it. Okay. Let's talk about be your chakra's best friend. What the heck does that mean? When you are your own energy's best friend, you will treat yourself with kindness and love. Because more times than not, think about it, who could hurt you better than yourself? All of a sudden you get this crazy thought in your head, and you can't break the cycle because you feel like you've gotten cheated out of life. Well, is that really true? Or is that something that you have made up and believe that is the truth? Well, the truth is your body, your soul is looking for you to guide it. And by feeding it with kindness, it wants to reward you with positive outcomes. So if you're going around and telling yourself why you don't deserve something, you suck, why you fail, guess what you're doing to your energy? Instead of having wonderful energy flow, you'll end up slowing it down to so sometimes I pray not to a snail pace. And all of a sudden you really believe those thoughts that's going on in your head, and then energetically you get stuck. Instead of dwelling on what you don't have, can you focus on all your achievements in life? Even in this minute, I feel really good talking to you. This is going on at 8 o'clock at night, um, after a long day of working with people on a holiday. I just want to share this message with you. So the message today is, instead of saying something negative about yourself, I want you to say 3 positive things about what you like about yourself. And the more you say this like a mantra over and over again, you'll be able to break that negative cycle. Can you be kind to yourself and do that? So that's my tip. I'm going to flip another page maybe next week. I really want to do a hand reflexology tip on these. There's so many things I want to do. I could barely keep up with me. So this is Helen Chin-Lu from the Healing Place Energy School. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone you feel that needs a little kick in the butt to get their energy going. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye and be well.